So we've taken the derivative of sine x. It only makes sense that, of course, we'll take the derivative of cosine x as well. So following a very similar procedure, derivative of cosine x, of course, equals the limit, as h goes to 0, of cosine x plus h minus cosine x over h. And of course, as with the last time, we're going to use the angle addition formula. Now the angle addition formula for cosine of x plus h is cosine x cosine h minus sine x sine h. Of course, this whole thing minus the cosine x over h. Just as last time, we're going to do some grouping now. We're going to put all the cosine x parts together. So what we get is cosine x cosine h minus cosine x over h. Then minus, separately, we have sine x sine h over h. And then do a little factoring out. What we get is a cosine x of cosine h minus 1 over h minus sine x of sine h over h. Now when we take the limit as h goes to 0 from our special trig rules, we see that this one goes to 0, so that whole first term goes away. This goes to 1, and so what we're left with is 1 times negative sine x, or negative sine x. And indeed, this is the derivative of cosine. The derivative of cosine x equals negative sine x. And again, it's well worthwhile looking at a graph of the cosine function and verifying to yourself that the slope of this graph is in fact the negative sine graph.